Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create Spongebob SquarePants in a Infinity Craft. So grab a water and the water to create a lake. Now take a fire to create a volcano, and combine them to get an island. Now volcano the island, now Hawaii. Now take earth and water, plant. Combine them, and you have pineapple. Now take earth and wind, create a dust. Water it, and you have a mud. Combine with earth, and you have a clay. Now combine clay and clay, and you get a brick. Brick to create a wall. The house. Combine them, and you have pineapple under the sea. Lake with water, create an ocean. Water ocean, you get a fish. Now you have a Spongebob. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye.